Happy morning to all, wishing you most and more. In this video, we are going to see about the types and the nature of wastes. Definition. So what does biodegradable mean? A biodegradable material can be defined as a material which can be decomposed by bacteria or other natural organisms and not be adding to pollution. Biodegradable wastes are such waste materials which are and can be degraded by natural factors like microbes, for example bacteria, fungi, etc. Now let us see the examples. Huge dumping of waste can raise some threats the life sooner or later. To avoid this, some people practice composting. In composting, the biodegradable waste are dumped into a pit and covered for a period. Due to the action of microbes, they will decompose and will be used as a manure for cultivation purpose. This will reduce the amount of waste at the landfills. So, what is biodegradable waste? The biodegradable waste can be commonly found in municipal solid waste as green waste, food waste, paper waste, and biodegradable plastics. Other biodegradable wastes include human waste, manure, and sewage. Biodegradable waste is a type of waste typically originating from a plant or animal sources, which may be degraded by other living organisms. What does non-biodegradable mean? Unlike biodegradable wastes, non-biodegradable cannot be easily handled. Non-biodegradable wastes are those who could not be decomposed by the action of bacteria. A such example is the plastics. The plastic cannot be broken down into similar pieces by the action of bacteria, which are commonly used material in almost every field. They are mainly causes of air, water, and soil pollution and diseases like cancer, since non-biodegradable wastes are not eco-friendly. So now let's see the nature of waste. The waste is defined as unwanted and unusable materials which is regarded as a substance which is of no use. Source of wastes. The wastes can be broadly classified into four types: industrial, commercial, domestic, and agricultural wastes. The industrial waste. These wastes are created in the factories and industries. Most industries dump their wastes in the rivers, seas, which cause lots of pollutions. For example, plastic, etc. Commercial wastes. The commercial wastes are produced in schools, colleges, shops, and offices. For example, plastics, papers, etc. Domestic waste. The domestic waste are the waste of different household wastes which are collected during the household activities like cooking, cleaning, etc. For example, leaves, vegetable peels, etc. Agricultural waste. The various wastes produced in agricultural field are known as the agricultural wastes. For example, cattle waste, weed, etc. Now let us see about the recycling and reducing. The plastic recycling is a process of recovering scrap or waste plastic and reprocessing material into useful products. Since majority of the plastic is non-biodegradable, recycling is a part of global efforts to reduce plastic. So now let's see the negative effects of improper waste management. The negative effects of the improper waste management include waste products, water pollution, soil contamination, and the air pollution. So, hope you have understood the topic clear, guys. If you like my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you for now.